Hi, welcome. I'm Bree, a Qigong practitioner and teacher. On this channel, I share wisdom for those on the path of self-mastery. Self-mastery of the inner and outer life force energy. In Zhineng Qigong, the practice I follow, we know that the inner and outer is one, and it is our consciousness that sends information for effect to take place. Manifestation from the subtle to the gross level. In my training session this evening, the information I am sending is fall. I send the information to the object to fall. I have 3 objects in order from light to heavy: foil, paper, and cardboard. I use my body to feel the message, to feel the intention of the process of fall. I connect to the object and I send Qi from the universe to facilitate in it falling. Here I focus on the last object, which is the foil. So at the front you can see the cardboard, behind the cardboard is the paper, and behind the paper is the foil, and it's much further away. My intention is not on the ones in front. My intention, I am connecting to the furthest away object, which is foil. I am sending message of fall, but I'm utilizing both falling backward and falling forward. So you'll see some pushing and pulling of Qi in this demonstration, in this practice. I bring my hands together, focus on the object, it falls. Information is received. Flicking is another message. I flicked the foil. And I move further back, so I can move closer if I'm not feeling success and I need to connect closer. And I can move further back when I have success. There I went for the lightest object, the foil, and now move on to the heavier ones, the paper and the cardboard. Holding Qi. And it falls. And the paper falls. Sending ripples out. Now I move to paper after having success with the foil from this distance. I pour universal Qi up over the crown of my head, and I hold it there and then pour universal Qi throughout the entire inner space of my body to energize and restore my dantians. I draw universal Qi forward and I draw universal Qi back into my dantian, restoring, energizing, connecting to the external Qi, and now connecting to the object. If you pay close attention to the paper, you can see it wobble. Hasn't got the full Qi power to push it down. It hasn't completely received the information to fall, but the process is happening as I'm training at this distance, at this weight. When we have success, we move our distance back. When we don't, we come a little closer to reconnect, to feel more connected, to feel closer and more connected, because this realm that we are practicing, there is no time and distance. But we conjure up the feeling of more connection by getting closer, and we increase our sense of confidence by moving back. Likewise with light to heavy objects, as we're breaking down our mental reference framework that thinks that the light object is going to be easier and the heavy object is going to be harder. We practice like this to develop and improve our capabilities of sending the information clearly, directly, of focus, willpower, patience, developing the paranormal abilities opens up dormant functions of the mind that are useful in everyday life, of performance in achieving your goals and in your capacity to tune in to your own self, into others, and into universal intelligence, making your capacity to respond to moment life more skillfully and intuitively. I recommend training the abilities. It's fun, interesting, and instead of retarding the function, you're developing the dormant function. So have fun with it. All success to you. 好辣。